Welcome to Real Green World.
That's right, the show we talked about green.
For the rest of us.
Yep, you and me and everyone else who drives this unit.
No judgment here, we both own one.
Both eat fast food.
Have a ton of kids.
Let's stay on topic, RGW boy. This is about green, not about your kids.
That's what this is all about. About green. If it's not green
For your wallet,
and the environment,
then it don't count.
because last time we checked, they're both green. All right. Again, we're doing another one from the NAHB Green National Green Show.
That's the Green Building Show.
That's right.
Expo.
I don't know exactly what it's called, but
Sponsored by Lowe's. Lowe's owes us money now.
yeah, you can advertise on our blog.
So we are here at the New Wood booth.
This is cool.
New Wood has this really cool product. And,
Blue, the new green. I love that
yeah,
one.
we'd like to bring in Larry. Larry's going to tell us about his company. And,
Right here between us.
All right. And how green they are. Right down to even starting up in an old existing building and buying up a business that used to be. And
Our story is one of recyclability. The story actually goes farther back than our buying this factory. This factory is sited at what was going to be a nuclear power plant that never got built by Washington State.
Yeah.
And so our plant is actually recycling the cooling tower of this nuclear power plant. That's our water source for cooling the plant. So what are we all about? We're about a green building material. We're taking urban wood waste and we're taking post-consumer, post-industrial plastic waste, and we're converting it into a board material.
And this is very cool. Hey, these are wood chips, right?
It's a wood flake, and that could be coming from dimensional lumber from job sites, or it could be coming from broken pallets.
Are you creating this right on site? So you're bringing the raw material, the pallets and stuff, and you break them down?
Well, we get it sorted by a recycler. There's people in the business that would recycle. So what we want is a wood chunk that's maybe 6-7 inches by 3-inch diameter.
Okay.
And basically, we don't want to be sorting asbestos out of wood coming into our plant.
Gotcha.
So we then put it into this. We flake it. Yeah, we use a flaker. And then on the plastic.
Plastic bags.
We take plastic bags that are coming from, you bet, it might be a little sticky because it is garbage. One person's garbage is another person's treasure. But basically, this could be grocery bags from your local grocery store. It could be Target bags. It's a polyethylene film.
Could be Lowe's bags.
Could be Lowe's bags or Home Depot bags.
I think these blue ones are the Lowe's bags.
Yeah.
The red ones are probably the Target bags.
Yeah.
But basically, what we're doing is encapsulating those wood flakes with this plastic.
Yeah, bring up the other pieces because they get smaller than this too.
That's the core of the sandwich, if you will, the core of the material.
So it gets
Now, in the refining of the wood flake, we have material that drops out of that process, and it's called fines. These fines are mixed with a more ground-up plastic, and they become the top and the bottom surface. In any panel, you want to have a balanced panel so it expands and contracts at the same rate.
Gotta get the top and the bottom.
Right. And the whole chemistry of what we're doing, I mean, this third jar is the wood and the plastic. You can kind of see some of the wood fine mixed in here. But the whole idea here is wood rich to the center, plastic rich to the outer layer, and it gives us a very durable, high impact, and almost virtually waterproof board.
Little bits of water can get in there, but it's only going to go as far
Yes.
as that piece of wood before it runs the plastic.
Exactly. We're melting the plastic around the wood, so it can't travel across the board. If this were used as an underlayment, now let's say your wax ring leaks on your toilet tank, you've cut out, the underlayment around, where that wax ring in the toilet's going to go. Moisture can get in, but it can only go in maybe at most 3/8 of an inch, half an inch.
I've been there.
You had that happen in your home? Yeah.
It got out into the
Let's talk
one of
about
the nastiest things ever.
Let's talk about the wife plugging the toilet too. Oh my God, do they have to use so much? Anyways, we believe that this is a very durable, waterproof.
Have you back on the show? You're right.
It's durable, it's waterproof, it's multi-purpose. We're marketing the blue is the new green, for underlayment, but we also see this as having possibility as a structural panel. So it could be a sheathing, could be a siding. We look at fencing as an opportunity. So we think it's a great way.
We're thinking flooring for the new offices of Soul Ice. Once we get them. flooring, and then this could be like the walls.
This is a great finish material.
It's like
it looks good.
You got other
I'm
colors?
glad you like it. You know, the whole idea here is our core is always going to be the same, but we change the top surface for different environments. So right now, all the panels that you have, these films are. You're stepping right into the camera.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
That's all
No
right.
problem. Hang tight. You can learn a little bit about
Yeah,
it.
these films are all USDA approved for direct contact to food, so it's a little bit like Glad Wrap.
Oh, yeah.
The concept is that if we go into agricultural applications like crating for fruit bins and whatnot, no worry about contamination of surface. Here's a sample where we put a fiberglass overlay on it, which would allow the marine industry to shoot fiberglass on.
Yeah.
Now, I'm not saying the hull of the boat, but there's a lot of bulkhead seating, a lot of applications where a marine grade plywood might be $70, $80 a sheet. We could do this for $25 a sheet.
This is cool.
Well, Chris, Dennis, I don't know how much more you want to talk with me, but I could talk on and on and on. You know, I'm a sales guy,
Yeah.
and I love what I do.
We know about sales guys, right?
We do. We're always talking about it. Okay, I am one.
We appreciate you coming on the show.
Well,
Thanks, man.
thank you
Products are
for
all about it.
We'll put up links to all their everything, website.
www.newwood.com. Come
Perfect.
visit us.
We'll do.
Out of Elma, Washington.
All right, thank you very much.
So, this is our show for this week.
Got my green M&M?
No, you have it again.
Because it's mine.
Give me the green M&M to give to you.
All right.
Have a green M&M for the road.
This reminds me, I hope this week's show got you more excited about doing something green for the environment and your wallet.
Thanks for watching.
Real Green World.
Until next week,
When you look in your wallet,
think about the trees.
I'm Piper.
And I'm the Duce. And that's this week's episode of Real Green World.